How to send email attachments. I am having problems understanding how to email an attachment using Python. I have successfully emailed simple messages with the SMTplib. Could someone please explain how to send an attachment in an email? I know there are other posts online, but as a Python beginner I find them hard to understand.
Adapted from here.
Here's another. It's much the same as the first example, but it should be easier to drop in.
This is the code I ended up using. Code is much the same as Ollie's post. Code based from binary file email attachment problem post.
Here is the modified version from Ollie for Python 3.
If was it put shop, then can they lock in